Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So we do that by, of course, cutting apart the sticky tape that's keeping the box securely sealed. We do that by using a penknife and doing so very carefully, not to pierce through the sticky tape and into the box. Okay, and let's tip the contents out so we can see the dish bottom right there. So very carefully tipping the dish bottom out, the Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish, and of course continue to remove the rest of the contents. So you can see that this butter dish is in a bright color. So this is the mint color. It's also available in a very wide range of colors. So just setting that lidded butter dish down right there and just checking through it, making sure nothing else is left behind in this plain cardboard box. So there we have it, the Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish in the mint color. And let's take a close-up look. So you can see that it does have a rather glossy finish. And of course, quite noticeably is the weight. So it is made from clay. So it is a piece of stoneware, tableware, or kitchenware. And just lifting that lid off from that base, you can see the base has a beige color and it's finished in a nice high gloss, and so is the lid as well. And of course both parts are colored with that bright minty color or very pale green. And just giving you a look at the bottom or underside of the base, you can see the Creuset branding on the untreated bare base right there, with that very fine stone texture. And just giving you a look towards the edges of the dish, you can see that it does have a stepped or layered edge right around the surrounds of the dish. And taking a look right into the main butter area of the dish, you can see that it does have a lip upwards to keep your block of butter in place, so it doesn't slide off the base of the dish. And just giving you a look right there, and just resting the dish in the palm of my hand, you can see that it is fairly large, so it will quite comfortably hold a standard block of 250 gram butter. So you can hear that clink. Very reassuring in terms of the build and robustness of this piece. Very hefty, with that nice glossy finish. And now taking a look at the lid, I'm just going to set the base or dish bottom towards the side right there on the left hand side of the frame, so that we can take a nice clear look at this lovely lidded lid with the handle right there. So nice to have a looped handle, especially when dealing with greasy butter, so that you don't slip and cause any accidents right there. And giving you a look at that lovely finish with that high gloss glaze. And right there with the Creuset branding as well. And once again, you see that kind of stepped pattern, almost Art Deco-like in design. And you can hear that sound of the stoneware as I handle it that very slightly porous sound. Of course, that is to do with the nice chunky edge right there. And looking into that concave area or hood of the lid with that glossy beige finish, in contrast with that nice minty color as well. It's right there giving you a nice all-round look. And of course, this Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish is fridge, freezer, microwave and oven safe. As with most Le Creuset stoneware, it does have a 10-year warranty as well. So pretty impressive, and it's built to last right there with its nice sturdy design. And you can hear just how solid that is. And of course it's going to keep your block of butter nice and cool. This nice cool glossy surface and very sturdy design with that nice solid loop right there for handle. And let's put the base and lid together right there. Setting that lid down, and you can hear that nice clink as well, and that lovely kind of signature wobble with most Le Creuset stoneware butter dishes. As we've unboxed numerous pieces on this channel, you can always have a look through at the myriad of colors that we've unboxed on this channel. And sometimes you can minimize that wobble, but of course sometimes just turning the lid around and finding a more firm or secure position. But nonetheless, right there, it stays nicely in place with that highly upturned lip on the edge of the base. And just now giving you a look all around at this Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish in mint. So right there, giving you an all-round look. At this butter dish right there. And now just giving you a look all together, base and lid in hand. And once again giving you some idea of the size. So nice and hefty piece, very solid, and feeling very sturdy as well with that nice chunky design. So giving you that nice all-round look at this Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish in mint, as you can see right there, with the Le Creuset branding on top as well as on the underside. Right there. And if you're wondering about the fitment of a block of 250 gram kind of standard size block of butter, here we have a Yo Valley organic salted block of butter right here. So standard supermarket size at 250 grams. Right there. And I'm just going to place that, of course, in the Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish right there. Giving you some idea as to the size and proportions and the capacity of this butter dish. So right there, plenty of space all around. Even if you slice and cut your butter in parts, there's still plenty of space around the edges or borders of this butter dish to accommodate for all that. So right there, nice and comfortable fitment or placement of the block of standard size butter. And of course, that lid goes on without even touching that butter as well. So plenty of space to store your butter right there, and very comfortably as well. So that's the Le Creuset Stoneware Butter Dish. Thanks for watching and happy storing!